Hey everybody, will be a quick and short video. I will be showing you how to create a coming soon page or be right back, as you see here. This is introduced in the new Kadence Pro team, an update they did a couple of days ago, which allows you to create a page like this in literally seconds, and you can set some custom settings to make it to be enabled for a couple of days. You can set a specific date, and after that date this page will automatically disappear and they will be able to see your website. And you can also make it specific so only people see it that have that are not logged into the website in the backend, for example. So if you are an admin and you're logged in, you can still work on the website quite easily, but only people that want to visit your website will be seeing something like this. Okay, how can we do this? I go to my backend. As you see, I have my backend over here where I can see everything. Normally in the front end you will be seeing this, so if you're not logged in you see this. If I'm logged in I see this, and I can still customize my website. So we go to the cadence settings, we go to the appearance cadence settings, and you see here already an extra option. If you don't see it, you will have to go to Kadence itself, and then you go down here and you will see there is something extra now. It's called maintenance mode. So you have to enable this over here, and then you can click on customize, or you can, if you refresh the page, you will also see this, and you click on this. And then there are two options. You can make an under maintenance page or a coming soon page. And then you can, let me disable this one. So you see by just disabling one of those toggles, I had another one set up, and you see immediately it replaces it. And now we have like a sort of coming soon page. So that's the nice thing. You will be able to leave them, for example, as a draft. And whenever you need them again, you just click on this. It's published again. So after clearing the cache, you see I get my page back here. So you see it works perfectly fine. So that's a nice thing. So what do? You say add a new maintenance mode page, and then it will ask you what you want, an under maintenance or a coming soon page. Let's say a coming soon page. You see this is the one I have enabled now. So these are already made for you, but you can also start blank and completely make a page from scratch. Let me import this one now. You see these are, this looks fine already to publish like this. And then you can go to this little icon here on top to set some specific settings. Display priority, this is one, when you have different pages, you can set a priority, which one should be set first, but normally you only have one coming soon page, I think. User exceptions, here you can set, will not see the page. For example, the admin, or more basic, all logged in users will not see this page, so they can still work on the front end of the website without having to work around. Or you can set a really specific rule that should not see this page, which is really useful. And you can add some extra exceptions if you want to. Then expires is also nice. You can really set a really specific time and date. And you say by then, the 30th, the Saturday, we launch our website by 9 a.m. for example. You can set all those parameters over here. And then you don't have to worry about forgetting turning off this page, because it will automatically be disabled when this time is there. So really easy, really simple to set this. And we have the same thing going for the under maintenance, and the coming soon is the same thing. Click on this, it will ask you again. You can click on this, and then voila, it enables you to import it immediately. And then you will have the same settings by again going here, and then user exceptions and expire settings exactly the same. And if you're not using the expires, you can just do like this and it will be disabled, or you can enable it again like this. So you can keep it in the back end just disabled, and if you know, after a couple of weeks we will have another update of the website, and it will be best people cannot go to the website, you just enable it again. So really easy, quick little update that makes our life again a little bit easier. voila, play around with it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll put all the links in the description below, because I think the Black Friday sale of Kadence has already started as well. So now is the moment. If you want the Kadence Pro theme or the Kadence Blocks Pro, they will have the best deal for you possible, and following the links in the description below, I get a little commission for it, but you will also automatically get the best deal that's currently available. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.